Okay guys, so today I'm going to use one of these as well. Yeah, you can use whichever you're comfortable with. Okay, so let's see. The red one is heavy, so back on there, and then we go. Yeah, we're going down the same routine. Okay, so let's go. Okay, you can do this or that. All right, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Take a break. We go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was intense. Okay, so one more time, yeah? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 11. Okay, 11, 12, 13. Ooh. Let's take a break. Come on, let's do it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Not easy. Let's change position. We want to do that. Can you see me? Okay. So we go sideways, yeah? This is what we add in to today's workout. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think this is a bit too much for me, so I'm going to change to the lighter one, yeah? And then I'll do the left side, and that's it. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. 1, see, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's it. Or you can also use this these ones, yeah? So I'm going to pick, this is 10. It's got the 20, 40, 50, 30, and then that's the 10. So I'm going to use the 10. And then we do the same thing. Okay? So you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, see? 7, 8, 9, 10. We do the next one. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can feel it. You can feel it on the side, yeah? Let's try one more time. So that's 10, 10. Okay, let's do another 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, let's go, 8, 9, 10. We change, shake it up, and then change. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Well done. So these are the bands. Yeah, you can either use these or these ones. They all have what they're supposed to do, what they're meant to do. Yeah, so they do different things, but some do the same thing depending on how stretchy they can go. So if you want any of these bands, either these ones or those, just message me, okay? Well done. We have 13 more days to go. All right, good job. Have a good day. Bye.